Morning, guys. Well, here's what I'm up to today on the homestead. So today's actually a pretty slow day for me on what we have to get put away. So I decided to make some pizza dough that's been sitting overnight. This one is housing some naan bread that I'll make later on. I've got some tomatoes on the counter that I'm going to seed save from. Not this one. This one I noticed had a black dot. I don't want that one, so I'll have to get a new one. But I had my tags with my plants, and these are some. This is a beauty. I mean, this is the one that you want to save from. This is a perfect tomato. Usually doesn't happen on the homestead, and so that's just fabulous. So that one we will be seed saving from. I've got some sourdough starters sitting there, just hanging out, fermenting. And right now I am cutting up banana peppers to make banana pepper rings that will go in the water bath canner. And this year, oh boy, look at that. These apples are from a wild apple tree here that just is completely loaded, and they taste good, and it's only the beginning of September. So I will be, well, when the kids don't eat them, there's a whole tree full. We will be putting up apple pie filling. Oh, so excited about that. Over here, I washed some of the vegetables I picked, and then over here, I'm making salsa verde. So here I chopped up tomatillos, onions, garlic, and some jalapenos, and they will get, I will put them in the oven for 15 minutes, and they'll turn a little charred, and then I'll blend them up, and then I will can those as well. And then in here, I've got some bread being baked. Woohoo! Someone needs to clean the bottom of that sucker. Whoa! Anyway, so that's what's going on this morning. A little slow, but I know it sounds funny, but usually I have a massive amount of everything everywhere, but I've caught up, so I'm excited. So I'm getting some of these fun little things done now. So I hope you guys are thinking about seed saving and thinking about just making sure you're putting up everything that you can. Don't let anything go to waste. Make sure you get it froze, canned, dehydrated, whatever you need to do, so that we can, so that you have some delicious homegrown food. And then if you're thinking, oh, I didn't grow any of this and I want to, well, start buying those seeds. Get ready to think about making some verde sauce and some banana peppers. I made some awesome salsa yesterday with some dragon farts. Don't even ask what those dragon farts are about, but it is spicy and it is the best salsa I've made. And I canned a bunch of quarts yesterday. So anyways, there's my mess. Enjoy. God bless.